Graph the linear inequality 3y is less than or equal to negative 6. Now you might be wondering, where is x? Now, it may seem like it would be harder because there's no x, but this actually makes it a little easier. So let's solve for y. Divide both sides by, moving stuff around. Divide both sides by 3. We don't have to switch the inequality sign here because we're dividing by a positive number. And we get, I'll write it down here, we have y is less than or equal to negative 3. Now because there's no x in there, that means that y does not depend on x. If there was an x in there, if x were 1, y would be negative 3, but if x were 2, y would be negative 6. But there isn't an x in there. There's no x, so that means no matter what x is, y is negative 3. So that makes plotting our line rather simple. We got y is negative 3 right here. We get a horizontal line just like that. So it eliminates the need to plot points. But for a linear inequality, we have to pick what side, and this time we'll do top and bottom instead of left and right, satisfies this. We'll go ahead and pick the origin. It's the easiest point for us. And since there's no x, we don't have to worry about plugging in 0 for x, so we just do it for y. So we get 0 is less than or equal to negative 3. And that, my friends, is, of course, false. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 3. So that means that the top of our equation does not satisfy, or of our line rather, does not satisfy. Our bottom one does. And this is a less than or equal to, so we fill this in as solidly as my little pen tool will let me here. And that is how we graph the linear inequality 3y is less than or equal to negative 6.